Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need the basics set before pairing. First, confirm your iPhone model and iOS is current so CarPlay is supported. This prevents connectivity errors. Once done, decide wired versus wireless CarPlay because cars differ in method. Wired uses a Lightning cable, wireless uses Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your phone and the phone is unlocked. If using a cable, use an Apple certified Lightning cable to avoid intermittent connections, and start the car in accessory or on mode so the head unit powers up and searches for devices. Then follow the head unit's prompt to add a device. Some systems require pressing a physical pairing button. On your iPhone, go to Settings, General, CarPlay, and choose your vehicle, or use Bluetooth pairing first, then confirm the CarPlay connection. Allow permissions like Siri, contacts, and notifications so apps and voice control work. Once paired, organize apps via CarPlay settings to prioritize frequently used ones. Finish by testing navigation, calls, music, and Siri to confirm everything routes correctly through the car. Make sure audio plays through the stereo and the touchscreen responds to CarPlay controls. If wireless CarPlay fails, try a certified Lightning cable to rule out power or data faults, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and restart both the phone and head unit. If problems persist, forget the car in iPhone settings or reset network settings as a last step. This clears corrupted pairings and often resolves stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.